Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a plan to make more money this year with my affiliate marketing business. I'm going to show you how I'm doing it and how you can model it that works with my affiliate business. Now, my goal is always to show you the best ways to make money online, especially as an affiliate marketer. And today I'm pulling back the proverbial curtain to show you what my plan is for 2021. Though I'm nowhere near where I want to be, I figured I'd show you my process and plan so that you can see what an early stage affiliate marketer is doing to succeed. Now, if you're new here and have no idea what affiliate marketing is, it's basically a way to promote other people's products and collect a commission every single time someone buys from your promotion. So you don't need your own product, you don't need a website, you don't need to handle customer service, and you don't have to do any shipping. All you need is a great product and a way to promote it. And that's exactly what this channel's about. But even though I show a lot of different strategies and a lot of different products to promote, I think it's important to take a step back and show you what I'm personally doing. So stay until the end, because I'm not just showing you what products I promote, but the way I'm promoting them as well. That can literally be the difference between a successful and a failing affiliate marketing business. But before we get into that, if you're new here, I post videos regularly, and my goal is to bring you methods to make money online that actually work, and most important, help you build a long-term business. So go ahead and like this video, leave a comment. I read through these and I get ideas for new videos, and also subscribe. It's free and it guarantees you see my future videos. I don't waste your time with shady tactics and strategies no one's ever tried or don't work because they're outdated. I don't teach black hat or backdoor hacks that work for a few minutes and just for a few people. Instead, I want to teach you strategies that build something long-term and sustainable, which will allow you to start from scratch or even as a beginner. So let's dive in. I'm here to tell you that it's possible to succeed with affiliate marketing as your business model. Thousands of businesses rely on affiliate marketing to grow their business and generate revenue. It's one of the easiest ways to start making money online, in my personal opinion. And so I've started my affiliate marketing business. I've learned a lot along the way. I'm no guru or master, but I have had some success. And with that, it's motivated me to put together a plan to make 7 figures. It's not necessarily going to happen this year or even next year, but because I have this plan in place, as well as the motivation to get there, I'm positive I'll reach this goal. And better, why not get it started right away and then share it? The truth is, no matter where you are, what your budget is, if your email list is 10,000, 1,000, or if you just getting started, you can start today. Use this roadmap, this plan. How do I know? Because my passion is affiliate marketing. The great news is there's a proven path to success that I've learned and followed, and I'm now sharing with you. We'll start out first by talking about building an email list. With that email list, you send relevant offers and quality content. I don't care what business you're in or what your niche is. If you're working on those 2 things, you're setting yourself up for success. But please do yourself a favor and stay until the end of this video, because there is a way that I pick offers that I haven't heard anyone else talking about, and it could literally make or break your affiliate business. But before that, let's go ahead and go over my exact game plan for my affiliate marketing business for 2021. The first affiliate I'm going to promote is called GetResponse. GetResponse is an email autoresponder tool that allows people to grow their email list and send them one-time emails called broadcasts, or you can set up what we call autoresponders, which will essentially email that we send out that are scheduled to go out every week, or in some cases every single day. Now, what's great about GetResponse is you can either sign up for their 33% monthly commissions, or you can sign up for their bounty program, which pays $100 for every sale. Even if the sale is $15, they still pay you 100%, or $100 rather, which is a great way to stack your commissions. The second program I'm promoting is called ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels is a landing page builder that in many cases replaces a website. So whether you know someone who wants to build a membership site or sell products or collect leads, ClickFunnels is one of the best programs out there and offers a 40% commission for life. So if someone signs up to ClickFunnels with your affiliate link and stays on for the entire year, that one sale just generated a minimum of $480, depending upon which package they bought. The other cool thing about ClickFunnels is that they sell tons of other products. So you can also build awesome sales funnels, but you can also get things like training courses. You can offer promotions on books or other additional software that you can still collect a commission on, even if you don't promote it. And that's one of the other secrets to generating massive commissions from affiliate marketing. I promote products that allow me to partner with them. So no matter what my subscribers buy, I still get credit. You know, this is a lot better than programs like Best Buy or Amazon, because once you make a sale as an affiliate, that's it. You have to find a brand new customer each and every time. The third product I'm promoting are domain names through GoDaddy. Now, GoDaddy doesn't pay a great commission, but they're straightforward service and the payout's 10%. The reason I'm able to generate so much from them, even though they only pay about 10%, is because pretty much every one of my subscribers, if they're following my trainings and my advice, will need to get a domain. And that hints to another secret of affiliate marketing I'll get to at the end of this video. The last product I'm promoting is actually a website that isn't a software or a tool like the rest of the list. And that website is called Udemy. And they specialize in sending traffic to your website just like Facebook or YouTube ads. But unlike those platforms, you don't need any experience. You don't need to worry about fancy algorithms, and they leverage email list traffic, which tends to be much higher quality. Now, Udemy pays about as much as 30% on their sales, and that's what I love about them, even though they don't have those lifetime commissions I talked about earlier. People tend to love the service so much that they use it over and over again. So you'll earn multiple times a year from the same person because they'll keep coming back. Here's the important thing about those offers, and what I really want you to learn that when you walk away from this video. I don't pick these offers completely random, and I definitely didn't pick them based on who paid the most commissions. You may have noticed that all these offers are very different, but they all work together. Here's what I mean. Everyone who's building their email list needs an autoresponder. That's GetResponse. Everyone who's growing their email list needs a landing page to collect those emails. There's where ClickFunnels comes in. Everyone building a landing page needs to brand their site with a domain. There's GoDaddy. And lastly, none of these tools mean anything unless you actually have traffic running to your offer. And there's where Udemy comes in. You can see how these offers stack on one another. That's the number one secret to affiliate marketing that no one talks about. The secret to affiliate marketing isn't finding hidden traffic or that one offer that's going to make you millions. The secret to finding a handful of products that you can stack and can easily increase the average order value and become sizable. This is kind of the idea of a slow and steady approach. Now, will this make you a millionaire overnight? Absolutely not. But I can't promise you that it's a method I can promise you that this is a method you can start completely from scratch, and it's a strategy you can use for years to come. All right, so I hope that today's video inspired you to take a look at the affiliate offers you're promoting and see how you can find better lifetime offers and offers that stack on one another, because I truly believe that's the key to success. But if you'd like some help and want to promote the exact offers I am, and completely copy and paste what I showed you today, not only do I absolutely recommend that, I want to help you do that as well. And while most people at this point will pitch a training course, I wanted to recommend something a little deeper than that. And it's called Partner with Anthony. And it's a program, instead of just showing you how to promote the offers I'm using, Anthony Morrison will actually promote them for you. The beauty of the PWA program is that you get to plug into Anthony's entire digital business, his entire personal funnels that's promoting all the offers I've talked about and a few more. And he helps sell them for you while you collect the commission. Now, there is a free training that talks more about this program, and you are more than welcome to click on the link below to view that. And as always, thank you for watching today's training. And if you haven't already, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss my next video. See you next time.